At Winc, we're dedicated to delivering better solutions for aged care homes. And we're here to support the uncompromising quality of care provided by carers. Carers like Caroline. She's a clinical care manager and her residents come first. That's why she relies on Winc's dedicated account management and customer service teams. One of them is a qualified nurse like her. They understand what her busy schedule is like and know what she needs before she does. With over 100,000 products from more than 1,000 brands, Winc has her covered. Like Pete, he's a procurement manager and he knows that price and procurement have a massive impact on his residents' care. He really likes the fact that Winc use their purchasing power to find him the best possible prices. He also likes that they're able to give him visibility of costs, inventory and purchasing trends, ensuring that his processes and stock rooms are streamlined. Like Fran, she's a facility manager. She relies on Winc's ability to deliver a product with their next day delivery to a precise spot at exactly the right moment. She also loves the fact that Winc's products and solutions can help her effectively prevent and manage infection outbreaks and ensure her home stays accreditation compliant. Like Chris, he's a CEO. He's humbly aware of his duty of care. He loves the fact that Winc is actively engaged in his business, sharing its goals and dedicated to the same outcome. He likes that sometimes Winc comes to him with a solution he hasn't even considered. At Winc, we supply everything an aged care facility needs, from medical and continence to technology and office. Winc